Hi everybody, I am new chef for Anubhuti. I am sharing a video which is hash brown, an international dish. So let's start. You can see this. As such, cooking is very boring, but it is creative. One can enjoy cooking. Let's see what I do. See, the first step. Switch on the gas. Here my tawa, heating time 5-6 minutes ideally, so it's ready. Meanwhile, what I do is I prepare small different shapes for my hash brown. It can be round like balls, you can see this, but if you have balls, what is going to happen is cooking time will be bigger. So let's make it flatter and just like keep it ready. Fine. This is another one. I hope you must be enjoying different kind of cutlets, But hash brown as a morning breakfast dish is you can really relish. Just it's a guarantee from me. What I did in this particular preparation, what are required ingredients. See, what I did is I boiled potatoes and smashed it, and then I added some masalas. Now what are these masalas? It's cinnamon powder, salt, pepper powder, and all this, is going to be even Aamchur powder. And it's going to give a great flavor and taste for morning. Very nutrition, full of masalas. So now you here see what I do is, I am sure it's getting hotter and hotter and it's going to be ready for cooking. Special tips to all of you is, keep some oil on tawa, let it be hot. And here you see, I'm almost ready with 3 cutlet shape hash brown. You can have different shapes, but I'm learning, It takes time. Cooking is very boring. But if you have some help, you can really learn a lot. Lot of international dish, and you need to have the flavor, for eating different dishes. This is one of my favorite for morning breakfast. So this one is a rectangular one. Oh, I show you, I forgot to show this one to you. A rectangular one, and this is all round shape. One more rectangular one, right? You like it? Okay, I'll make it for you. Why don't you order it online? It will take just 15-20 minutes to reach, and I'll get good business. It makes sense, isn't it? You get choice for your dish, and I get little money. Yes, come on. So almost pieces are ready. Now what I'm going to do is, we need little oil. So first, place some oil here on the tawa. So it's a non-stick tawa, and then I'll have to wait, just to check the heat. Yes, this is on simmer. Yeah. So I start placing some plates over here. Number 2. This is third one. This is 4, 5, and one is rectangular one. You to enjoy. I put it on high flames. Cooking is tiring, but we are never grateful to people who are in kitchen. We should thank them, because especially to all mothers, all sisters, wives, working mothers, they deserve a big clap. Hats off to you all, because it's because of you we really enjoy lovely dishes. Delicious. Now no more acting, okay? Just observe because I can create problems here. Just to check it out, what am I doing is right. Try to flip that. Oh, before flipping, what I can do is apply some oil. Yes. See, it is endless. Cooking learning is endless. You will say, you are an expert chef. No, I am a beginner. I am only certified by Anubhuti today. In future, I need a lot of recognition, awards as master chef, whatnot, but a small beginning today. People with multiple talents, especially in food. Oh. Excuse me. Try it. See, this is what is real, not the color, it is old. But anyway, I am used to it. It's a beginning, everyone try their best, you know. So I flip the side, yes, it's good. Now again, another piece, I flip it. Again, put it on the simmer is best. People out there who eat in the restaurants, for them, understand, there is some great cook who has done this for you. Thank them friends. You never know. They are never on in front lines like me, you know. I am just ready for anything. And it's ready, getting ready. See this. Come on, join me. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe me at Anubhuti.